What's up, guys? Just chilling here in the woods. See in the background.
I'm slow boiling it.
But it's all great, man. This is life. This was the life I want to live. Do hiking and fishing, all that stuff. Open carry. I don't know. Want to do a woods walk with me? All right, hang on. So anyways, we got all this gunpowder here. Alright, I'm gonna put it right on top. I gotta do this fast, right?
Yeah, you record, I'll do it.
Alright.
Ready?
Go.
Kill that light.
And it just popped.
Turn off the light. Oh shit! That shit got me.
That shit got me too.
I knew it didn't fucking pop, and I was like, fuck it, they haven't been listening to me all night, don't listen to me now. Fuck it.
Oh shit! That shit got me.
That shit got me
I knew it didn't fucking pop, and I was